Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm just out by the Toyota Auris. It's 2007 model. It's a 1.4 diesel, but it's the same on the I have changed the air filter on the engine. That was completely new when I started to check it. But now I'm going to sell the car. And I found out I have the filter for the air inside the coupe, in the coupe. So we have to change the air filter for inside the car too, to get fresh air in. Maybe it's changed like the rest on this car. So a lot of things done on it. It's rusty in the under the door seals. So I don't have time to fix all that, so I'm going to sell it because of that. But first, let's change this filter so people can see. I'm quite sure it's have to be quite easy. The filter for inside the coupe. It's good to have fresh air coming in. Typical on these cars is the filter under here somewhere. I can more or less filter used to be under here somewhere. I can more or less guarantee it's under here on this car too. So I just have to find something to put my feet on and we'll see. Most filters lying up under a cover, like up here or right behind the door here. See, I have opening here. I see under here is there. It's just jump off from those and just up. See the sleeves here too. Small one there, small one there. And then it's free. The filter is a flat piece here, but when I see under here, just a place to hold there. That one is loose. Filter upside there, on the side there. And this filter was, it's like when I was seeing on the other, the filter on the engine was not a problem. It looks like it had been changed lately. The filter in here also looks like it was changed very lately. It's not much. It's more or less completely clean. That one is no point changing, but as you see, just take out and put in a new one, or in this case, this one is very good. There. Just put in this. The sleeves here is going inside a place there and here. Just locking it back in place. Just hanging on in the back. And see, here is one place. And the other side is one place here. Let's put the camera back. There. Finished. Very simple. Just this one to get in up here, taking off twisting of the plastic, just fall down, just drag it out. In this case, my coupe filter was as good as new. There's no point changing this one. Again, on this car, well, all the cars I've been working on lately, the filter for clean air in the car have been completely hopeless and ruined and filled up with leaf and nuts and all kind of shit. On this car, no, it's very nice, no problem. So, but at least now you see how simple it is to change it. Those filters are not expensive either, and they clean the air will come in where you're sitting. So it's just buy it and change it. Very simple. Yeah. Hope you like the video. Hope you can see some other of my videos. I hope it helps you. Please put a like. Please write a comment, and yeah, please start following the channel. Thank you.